Hello guys, in this lecture you are going to learn first how to build your first LLM app with LCL. Okay, so here you are going to learn work with LangChain models. Okay, create and use prompt template and output parser. And number third, combine component with LangChain Expression Language. Okay, so debug and trace your app using LangSmith and deploy your app with Lang server. Okay, so here you can see invoke means direct talk to the model and parser means clean reply. Okay, chain equals to chain means connect with different steps. Prompt message prompt message you can see it in input, and final chain equals to full automated pipeline. Okay, so what is LCL? LCEL, LangChain Expression Language. Okay, so it's like a mini programming language inside the LangChain that make it easy to connect and compose different components. It is basically used to connect and compose different components like models, prompt, parsers, retrieval, etc. into one workflow. Okay, so what does LCL does? Let you chain component together. Okay, so here we will chain our component together like prompt, model, and parser and output. Okay, so after that, making your pipeline declarative. So you describe what should happen or not. Okay, write lots of boilerplates in code. So add built-in tracing. Okay, streaming and async support without extra code, and keep your app modular so you can swap out model, prompt, or parser easily. So here I am going to build app, okay, by using LCL. So here uh, I need to load .env file because I have APIs in my .env file like Groq API. Okay, I already teach you uh, where do you get these API. So this is from Groq website, and this is from LangSmith, and this API from this is from OpenAI API, and this is from Hugging Face. Okay, and this is our project name AI. Okay, which will I trace on LangSmith. So here you can open LangSmith. So I am going to use connect with Google. Okay, so this is my project. AI. Okay, this one. So you need to keep it in .env file if you want to access this element, so we can access it. Okay, this is the Hugging Face token, and this is OpenAI API. So we keep this thing here. We are going to keep this thing here, and we need to use it in my code. Okay, so here how can we access these APIs like this? Import OS from .env, import load.env, and load.env. So here after that I need to import OpenAI API, and here this is for we can access OpenAI API key here, and this is for Groq API key here. Okay, that we can access different model with OpenAI and Groq API. So that's why we need to import these things. Okay, so we have different model that we can access from Groq API, which is an open source model like LLaMA 3, Gemma 2, etc. So I need to run this again, and Yes, it is showing API keys. And here, okay, so after that I need to initialize our model. So here, we are going to initialize OpenAI model. So here I need to create variable OpenAI model, okay, equals to chat OpenAI, okay, that we can access OpenAI models. So here model equals to, I'm going to use GPT 4o hyphen min, okay, and after that I need to put comma, and here OpenAI key, API key underscore. Okay, so this is for Groq model equals to chat Groq. Okay, model I am going to use Gemma to 9 billion parameter. Okay, so this is the variable for API key that we access API key here. Now I need to run here, and after that I need to create messages. Okay, so here okay, so I need to put this here. So we can access our different open source models, LLaMA, Gamma, okay, Mistral, etc. And after that I need to create message. So message equals to in equal square bracket, here I need to write for system message, okay, and here I need to pass content 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 equals to translate the following from English to English to French. Translate the following from English to French. Okay, so this is our system message in bracket content equals to translate the following mm, mm, following from English to French. Okay, and after that I need to create human message. Okay, HUMN MESSAG. Here I am going to provide content here. Content equals to hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Okay, so here this is a message, direct message. Okay, but sorry guys, I did mistake here. I have I forgot to add libraries that we need to import here. Okay, so here I'm going to import from LangChain underscore OpenAI, import chat OpenAI, from LangChain Groq, import Groq, that we can access chat Groq. Okay, and here these are the message for human message, system message. Okay, that will provide by system and that will provide by the human. str output parser means it will give you a clean output. Okay, and this is the chat prompt template that we give you I mean that will give our LLM model. Okay, so here after creating message, this is the system message translate the following from English to the French. Okay, that we that this is for I mean this is for instruction for system. Okay, so this is the human message, hello how are you, and after that I am going to using parser. Okay, so here I am going to write human parser. Here I need to write result equals to result equals to Groq Groq result equals to Groq model, Groq underscore model, result equals to Groq model dot invoke, result equals to Groq model. Okay, this one, this is not model, this is a Groq model. This variable I need to give here. Okay, I can rerun this again. So here Groq result equals to Groq underscore model and dot invoke, and here I need to pass what I'm going to pass here, message. Okay, and after that I need to print what. So here I'm going to print Groq Groq result, and here result dot content. I need to run this. Okay, so here this is our result. Translate the following from English to French. Hello, how are you? So here are a few ways to say hello, how are you in French. Formal, this one, bonjour. Okay, comma, comment, elegant, was. This is the most polite and formal way to say it. Okay, an informal way, this one, salute, comments. Okay, so I don't know French, and but this model I mean Groq here converted French into a I mean English into a French. Okay, and after that I need to create a parser. So here I am going to create parser. So here parser equals to stro, this one. Okay, and after this str output parser, here I am going to create I mean variable parser underscore result equals to parser dot invoke result. Okay, and after this I need to print here parser parsed result, this one. So here you can see I need to change this here, parsed result. Okay, so you can see here how are you, few way to say hello how are you in French. Okay, so this is the formal way. French on comment alize whatever this is, and this is the informal way. Okay, by using parser. And after that, after this I'm going to create chain. Okay, so here you can see chain equals to Groq underscore model. I'm going to create chain by using Groq model, and here I'm going to use pipe operator. Okay, that it will combine Groq model and what parser, this one. Okay, oh I have created two. And here I'm going to write what parser. Okay, I need to run this. Okay, and this is the chain. If we are going to combine something, that we can use chain. So now I'm going to use from template in LCL. So here, okay, so we can also print these things here. Print in string chain dot invoke messages. Now I'm going to run this. Okay, so here output of chain. So salute, this is a casual way to say hello, and this is in French. Okay, and after this I'm going to create prompt template by using LCL plus LCEL. So here, after parsing and after chaining, I'm going to use template. For generate template, I'm going to write generic template. Okay, template template. Here template equals to in translate. Here I'm going to write translate the following in French. Okay, translate the following into a French. So I don't need to write here French, because I want to give it as a input variable. So here I'm going to create a one variable which is a language. Okay, so we can change our language like French, Hindi, English, Chinese, whatever. Okay, so language. And after that I need to put colon and close the string. Okay, and now I'm going to create prompt equals to chat prompt template. Okay, oh, chat prompt template dot from message. Okay, dot from message, inside the brackets I am going to use system message and prompt message. So here I already have system message and prompt message. Okay, I need to copy from there. Message inside the inside this prompt I need to write system. Oh no, this is not a system message, I copied wrong. This is for user in double quotes. Comma, here I am going to write get text. Okay, and I need to close it, but here this is not correct, so I am going to change this line. So this is the system, not system message. Okay, so system comma system comma generic template. Okay, so I need to copy this and paste it here. Okay, now I'm going to close bracket and here also open the brackets. Oh, and also I'm gonna use to open the brackets and close the brackets. Okay, and here this is the comma. So here you can see generic template equals to translate the following language. Okay, so after that prompt equals to chat prompt dot from message, uh, curly braces, so round braces, square bracket. After that again bracket system generic template comma user text. Okay, so after that both bracket closed here, square and round, and after that here I need to write what. Oh, I got error. What is the problem here? Prompt chat prompt from. Okay, so in generic template translate the following in language. Here generic template equals to translate the following in language. Translate the following into in curly braces LangChain. Okay, so after that from chat template from message. Okay, so unexpected message type. System use one of the human user AI assistant or system. So unexpected message type. Okay, in line 4 I got error here in prompt equals to chat prompt template dot from message. Okay, messages. So system generic template and user equals to, I think, okay, so I need to keep this in a, because we are going to use text and user input. Okay, so we can't give it as a string already. Okay, we ask the question, so that's why we need to keep like this. Now again error. Okay, so we got error because of this. I need to write it everything in lowercase. Okay, okay, thank God. Now we are error free. And so after that, this is the prompt template. Okay, and after prompt template, and I need to write the print something here. Okay, so I need to print result. Okay, so here um, we can write result equals to prompt dot invoke, and in bracket language, in bracket prompt dot invoke language colon French. Okay, so language French close string, and after that I need to write text here, but it should be in a string. Okay, so here txt text French, language equals to French, and text column hello. I need to close. Okay, this one. So here prompt result equals to prompt dot invoke inside the brackets language colon French, and text equals to hello. Okay, and I'm going to print here result print here. What I'm going to print? Print what? Print prompt message. Prompt messages colon comma result. Okay, result to dot to message. Okay, so here you can see prompt.invoke language French and French and text equals to hello. So print prompt messages colon, okay, result dot to messages. Okay, so here you can see result in French. Okay, so here we don't have any result. I'm going to rerun it again. After that I need to check. Okay, so result equals to prompt dot invoke language French and text equals to hello. Okay, I can create chain equals to, this is all this is running. So I am going to create chain here. Chain equals to prompt and pipe operator Groq model, Groq underscore model, again pipe operator and parser. Here print final chain and in this I need to print chain dot invoke here I need to write language equals to French and after this language equals to French and text in text I need to give here hello. Guys, I did mistake here. Okay, so here I need to put open and close brackets. After that I need to run this. Okay, still I don't have any response here. 1 minute. So this is the final answer, bonjour. Okay, so if you translate hello into a French, this will give you bonjour. Okay, if you want to ask it from, if you ask in Hindi, so we can see here namaste in Hindi. If you want to use Chinese, so this one ni hao. You can check with Korean. Okay, what is this? Annyeonggas, annyeonggasyo. Okay, so in Japanese, okay, konnichiwa in Japanese. Okay, and here